Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this video, we will explore verb forms, specifically the infinitive. The infinitive is one of the most important concepts in English grammar, and understanding it will help you use verbs correctly in many situations. The infinitive is the base form of a verb with the word to in front of it. For example, to walk, to read, to eat. This is the original, unchanged form of the verb. It is the form you will find in a dictionary. The infinitive tells us what action the verb describes without showing when the action happens. Here are some common examples of infinitives. To walk means to move on foot. To read means to look at and understand written words. To eat means to consume food. These are all infinitives because they have the word to before the base form of the verb. You can use the infinitive in many different ways in English sentences. The infinitive has several common uses in English. We use it after modal verbs like can, could, may, might, must, should, will, and would. We also use it to express the purpose or reason for doing something. Additionally, we use the infinitive to show ability or desire. Let's explore these uses in more detail. Modal verbs are special verbs that show ability, permission, obligation, or possibility. These verbs are can, could, may, might, must, should, will, and would. When we use a modal verb, we always follow it with an infinitive. The pattern is modal verb plus infinitive. For example, I can speak English. She must finish her homework. They will visit us tomorrow. Notice that the infinitive comes directly after the modal verb. Let's look at some practical examples. First, I can speak English means I have the ability to speak English. Second, she must finish her homework means she has the obligation to finish her homework. Third, they will visit us tomorrow means they have the plan to visit us tomorrow. In all these sentences, the modal verb comes first and the infinitive comes after it. This pattern is very important to remember. Another important use of the infinitive is to express why someone does something or what they want to achieve. When we want to show the purpose or reason for an action, we use the infinitive. The pattern is subject plus verb plus infinitive. For example, I study to pass the exam means the purpose of studying is to pass the exam. The infinitive, to pass, shows the reason or goal for studying. Let's review the most important points about the infinitive. The infinitive is the base form of a verb with the word to in front of it. We use it after modal verbs and to express purpose. The infinitive is the original form of the verb before any changes. Remember these key points, and you will be able to use the infinitive correctly in English sentences. Practice using infinitives in your daily English learning.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.